Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what Facebook flagged and why. Open page quality, read the violation label, and download any notices or ID requests. This gives you the scope. Then, audit recent posts and admin activity within 90 days to locate the problematic content or action. Once done, document timestamps and links for every flagged item so you have evidence. Make sure you are on the right business manager and that you can access appeal or request review options immediately. Next, you prepare a focused appeal package that explains how and why the page complies. Gather screenshots, exact post URLs, and context that proves intent or ownership. Add evidence like copyrights, licenses, or deleted content corrections. Write concise appeal points and map each to the relevant Facebook policy section so reviewers can follow easily. Once done, convert files to simple PDFs and keep file names clear. Make sure you limit each appeal to a single clear argument to avoid confusion. Finally, submit the appeal via the page quality review link or support inbox and attach your evidence. You should monitor the case, check email and support inbox, and respond to follow-up requests within 48 hours to prevent delays. If approved, immediately restore best practices and remove risky content. If denied, escalate through business support chat or prepare a formal counter notice with legal proof. Troubleshooting tip: if reviews stall, open business support chat, state your case succinctly, and request an expedited escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.